They are. Yeah, great segue. We do have a warming trend. It's not out there just yet. So if you're getting up, getting ready to walk the dog, or perhaps have your morning cup of coffee, know that it's still pretty chilly out there. And we are still mainly clear as the sun is now rising. Wanted to show you this beautiful shot we've got from Carmel and the Chris Kindle Mark getting ready to get underway. Another busy one, I'm sure, especially this afternoon before the rain gets here. It's been cold. Currently, we are just now at 25 degrees up in Carmel, but things are changing. We've got this warm front that is headed in our direction. Pretty active winter weather just off to our west. But as this boundary moves in, it's going to change up our wind direction, bring in some more mild air. So by the time that moisture gets into central Indiana, we will all be back above the freezing mark. So this will keep this an all rain event. Here's your forecast for today. We are looking at increasing clouds as temperatures warm out of the 30s back through the 40s. Eventually a high today in the mid to upper 40s. We will see that as the rain gets ready to move in. And then the later in the day we get, primarily after about 4 p.m., that's when showers will become more widespread. In fact, by 6 o'clock, 80% chance of rain, and we're up toward a 100% chance of rain through the duration of the evening and then through the overnight as well. So pretty widespread and heavy at time these showers will be. Let's pause as we get you through 4 p.m. Notice this will mainly be still over on the western tier of the state, and then by about 7, widespread for everybody, even some heavier downpours embedded within this rain shield at that point. Through 2 o'clock in the morning, still going to be monitoring some very heavy rain across the eastern half of the state. And then as we wake up Sunday morning, we're talking around 7 a.m., still going to be tracking some lingering showers. I believe it will be a bit of a damp start to the day on Sunday, but then this system's going to pull off to the east, and I believe we will see a little bit more dry time as the day plays on. So a few scattered showers, especially early, but we will still be in the warm sector of this weather system tomorrow. So temperatures, despite the clouds, we will be influenced by that southerly wind component, so they will rise back into the low 50s for highs on Sunday afternoon. And as far as the rain timeline tomorrow, we'll pick this back up at 7 a.m. Quick boundary rolls through, and then some drier air will move in. This is 5 o'clock in the afternoon Sunday. Everything looks pretty good there. Not quite done with the storm system just yet, though. We still need to get this cold front through, and that's once again going to bring in rain by 7 a.m. on Monday. Scattered showers will be likely, especially along and south of the I-70 corridor. By the time we get into Monday afternoon, most of that rain will start to wrap up, but we are looking at a pretty decent amount of rainfall with both of those waves coming through. Likely we'll see at least a ½ inch for I-70 north and perhaps an inch to an inch and a half across southern Indiana between now and when this is all said and done come Monday afternoon. So we've got some changes there. 57, still relatively warm until that cold front arrives. And then behind that Monday night into Tuesday, turning cooler. 47, though, still a little above average with some sunshine Tuesday, another round of rain 45 Wednesday. And then behind that system, much colder. We're back in the mid 30s to wrap up next week.